Hello everyone, let's solve the question number 14 of GATE CS1 paper 2025. Consider a demand paging memory management system with 32-bit logical memory address, 20-bit physical memory address, and the page size of 2048 byte, assuming that the memory is byte addressable, what is the maximum number of entries in a page table? That we have to figure out. Now, let's first understand what is a memory address. Every piece of data in your computer is stored inside a memory. Each byte, which is the smallest unit of the data, it is like it has a unique address. It is stored inside like it has a unique address. When a particular program runs, basically, it needs to find these addresses to read and write the data. Now, what there are two kinds of memory addresses: logical address and the physical memory address. Now, logical memory address is used by CPU and physical memory address is used by RAM. What is a logical memory address? Logical memory address is actually generated by CPU and it is an address used by your program. A CPU generates an address which is used by the program. Physical memory address is the actual memory address where the location inside the RAM. That is a difference. So let me repeat. Physical memory address and logical memory address. Logical memory address is generated by CPU and it is an address used by your program. Physical memory address is the actual address of your program inside the RAM, like where it is located in the memory hardware. CPU generates the logical addresses. Operating system translates them into physical addresses. Now your CPU generates logical address. Operating system helps them into translation into physical addresses. Now, another term we can figure out is paging. Now, what is paging? We can divide the whole memory into equal size pieces. Why? To fit it properly, in short. Like, so pages are the parts of the program in the logical memory as well as frames are the empty slots in the physical memory to hold those pages. Let me repeat. जो pages होते हैं वो प्रोग्राम का पार्ट होते हैं. लॉजिकल मेमोरी में जो प्रोग्राम का पार्ट होता है उसे पेज कहते हैं. फ्रेम जो होते हैं वो एम्प्टी स्लॉट होते हैं जो उन पेजेस को होल्ड करते हैं. ठीक है. Why do we even use paging? You actually don't need to load the whole program. You only need those particular pages which are required, essential for a program to execute. What is a page size? Now, page has a page size. Like size of each page and size of each page in each frame is fixed. In this particular case, the page size is 2048 bytes or 2 to the power 11 bytes. It is important because it tells that how many bits are needed to refer to a specific byte inside a page. Now, what is a page table? Page table keeps track of each page of a program which is stored inside the physical memory. It maps page number from the logical memory address to the frame numbers. Page to frame mapping happens inside page table. Logical to physical, logical addresses to physical addresses in a RAM. Sorry. Logical is one from the CPU, physical one is from the RAM. Every page needs one entry in the page table. Each page, one entry per page. Byte addressable is written in the memory. So memory is byte addressable. That means each memory address refers to one. If you have 2048 bytes in one page, that means you need enough bits to address 2048 unique bytes. Because as mentioned, that byte addressable means each memory defines one, refers to one byte. Yeah. So let's understand the problem statement. Logical address is of 32 bits. Physical address is 20 bits. Page size is 2048 bytes, 2 to the power 11 bytes. Memory is byte addressable. That means each memory address is denoting or like pointing towards one byte, referring to a one byte. Find the maximum number of pages that entries that a page table can hold in a page table, basically. So, splitting the 32-bit logical address, the physical address has two parts, a page number and an offset. So a particular physical address which is so it's not sorry for that. The logical address has two parts, not the physical address. My bad. I by mistakenly because that is generated by CPU. No? So the part which is generated by CPU, it has two parts. One is the page number and one is the offset. We calculate how many bits go to the offset first. So page size is 2 to 2048. It is 2 to the power 11. So you need 11 bits to address each byte in the page from 0 to 2047. Logical address is 32 bit, offset is 11 bits. So remaining bits for the page number will be uh, 32 minus 11, that will be 21. So maximum number of pages will be, as I said, in the power of 2. So with 21 bits, you can have 2 to the power 21 maximum pages. And I think it matches with option A. So option A is the right answer. That's it for this particular video. So let's just quickly do the calculation here. So let me just repeat the calculation quickly. So टोटल 32 बिट लॉजिकल एड्रेस है तो 32 बिट लॉजिकल एड्रेस है इट इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ पेज नंबर एंड ऑफसेट सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट द ऑफसेट फर्स्ट ऑफसेट पहले कैलकुलेट करते हैं एंड इसके अलावा क्या दिया है 20 मेमोरी ऑफ फिजिकल एड्रेस 20 का हमें फिजिकल भी दिया गया है ठीक है हमें फिजिकल पकड़ा दिया है हमें और क्या क्या दिया गया है द क्वेश्चन मेंशन दैट द पेज साइज इज ऑफ 2048 बाइट्स जो पेज का साइज दिया गया है वो 2048 बाइट दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में जैसा दिया है आई एम जस्ट गोइंग अबाउट दैट ठीक है तो लेट्स राइट कि पेज साइज इज 2 to the power 11 bytes. Now we need to calculate maximum number of entries or maximum number of pages like your page table will hold. ठीक है सो 32 बिट लॉजिकल एड्रेस को पहले स्प्लिट कर दो जो गिवन लॉजिकल एड्रेस है उसके दो पार्ट्स फिजिकल तो सॉरी पेज नंबर एंड ऑफसेट पेज नंबर और ऑफसेट ठीक है सो ऑफसेट पहले कैलकुलेट करते हैं पेज नंबर बाद में लेट्स कैलकुलेट ऑफसेट फर्स्ट सो पेज ऑफसेट बिट इज पेज साइज इज बेसिकली 2048 और these are the offset bits so 2 to the power 11 I can say 2048 2 to the power 11 I can say that 11 bits are needed to address each byte in the page so the remaining will be 32 minus 11 that is 21 so these are the remaining so remaining bits for the page number because of as I said logical address consists of physical plus page number plus offset so offset is 11 bits so remaining 21 bits are required for the page number so maximum number of pages it can hold in power of 2 will be 2 to the power 21 so option A is your correct answer that's it for this particular video till then take care bye bye see you guys in the next video